Hi, welcome to Deal. We're happy to have you on board. We know that you may have many questions as you onboard with us in Sweden. Therefore, we will be going through some country-specific information such as personal number, benefits, health and safety training, holiday and leave. It is important that we have your Swedish personal number when you're onboarded. This is for us to be able to enroll you with mandatory benefits such as pension and social security. If you don't have it yet, please reach out to the Swedish tax agency, Skatteverket, and apply for it. In case you don't have your personal number yet, please request added later on while you're filling in the mandatory details. Once you have received your personal number, please make sure to add it on the Deal platform or reach out to support. We need to have the number before the 20th of your first month of employment due to payroll. I will quickly show you how to fill in the personal number when submitting your additional details. Simply fill in your personal number in the box, your Swedish personal number. If you don't have it, just check the box I can provide a number and add this later on when you have received it. When you work in Sweden, you will qualify for work-based benefits through your social security. Employees in Sweden are covered by employment-based insurances from the first day of your employment. You are insured with the following benefits: public health insurance, state pension, workers' compensation insurance, long-term disability insurance, sickness benefit, parental benefit, and other leave benefits. Within the first week of your onboarding, you will be sent a link to your email address to sign up and begin your health and safety training. Please make sure to complete it within a month. The training will cover the necessary topics to ensure your safety while working at Deal. It's good to know that the training is mandatory and is required to renew on a yearly basis. When you're planning on taking any leave, please add the leave on platform ahead of time or reach out to us at Deal if assistance is needed. If you're on sickness leave for more than 7 days, you will need to upload a doctor's sick note on the platform when requesting the leave. You can find more information about the leave policies under Help and Feedback, clicking on Employee FAQs and then on Time Off and Other Leaves. Under the Employee FAQs, you can also find other information that could be valuable for you during your onboarding and employment with Deal. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about your onboarding and the specifics of Sweden. We hope this information was helpful to you and your onboarding journey. Tack!